Hello everyone! In this video we'll take a look at the login and update process of the Wondershare UniConverter 14. The Wondershare UniConverter 14 for Mac comes with a free trial version that supports functions with a number of limitations. If you wish to use this professional software with all its power-packed features, you need to purchase the program plan as needed. Click on the See Pricing button to remove all limitations. Or you can purchase the plan by opening the drop-down options within the UniConverter at the top left corner and then selecting the purchase option from there. Once you have purchased the software, click the profile button to log in and start using the UniConverter. You can log in with your Wondershare ID and password, the email address you purchased, signed up for the Wondershare UniConverter, Wondershare PDF element, or the Wondershare Filmora product. Enter your login information and click on the Login Register button to continue using the Wondershare UniConverter 14 on your macOS device. From time to time, new updates are available to enhance the software's overall functionality and features. To check the current version of the software and to update it, follow these next steps. Step 1. On the main software interface, click on the UniConverter button and select Preferences. Select the General tab from the pop-up window. Here, choose the option for updating your software daily, weekly, monthly, or never as needed under the Check for Update option. Step 2. If you have chosen to update your software daily, a pop-up window will appear. At the Live Update window, click on the Update Now button to download the latest version of the software. And if your software is up to date, you have nothing to do but enjoying the latest version of the Wondershare UniConverter 14. And that's it. Thank you for watching our tutorial videos. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Click the link in the description to try the Wondershare UniConverter for free. See you in the next video.